Customer just bought, this is a new to them used planter, and they are doing a dual liquid high speed planter. So we've got in furrow plus 2x2 pumps on it. We got V-Apply HDs on every row. And we're going to go through, pre-trip it, calibrate the liquids, both liquids, get everything working, check for leaks. Basically just get them ready to go, so that way next week they got the confidence, I guess, to put it in the ground and put it to work. So, but if time will allow it, we'll come back next week or whenever they start and try and help them start it that day if we have time, if it allows anyways. So, but it's a big project. So, but they had a 16 row setup just like this, so it wasn't like new to them, you know, having a lot going on, but you just got to figure out all the bugs and quirks of a new to them planter, I guess. So. Yes. Yeah, there is, with the furrow force and the speed tube, and the dual liquid is really the more, can be complicated.